Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Classroom. Today I'll show you how you can create an impressive PowerPoint presentation in minutes. Not only in minutes, in like few seconds itself using the Gamma app. This is the Gamma app, that is, you can see that is one of the AI tool, right? And you can easily get the PowerPoint presentation and with amazing and impressive slides itself, right? So no designs or no skills you'll be required. It's just that hardly in 30 to 40 seconds you'll be able to easily create a PowerPoint presentation, right? So let me show you the demo for that. But before that, obviously for the PowerPoint presentation, you'll be needing a content. So let me come to the chat GPT and ask, about the content, what I want exactly in my PowerPoint slides. So let's suppose if you want to, prepare a PowerPoint presentation on the future of artificial intelligence, so in education. So what I'll do, I'll just get the prompt that to give me a detailed outline and key talking points. Talking points for a presentation on the future of AI in education. So you can see that I have given a prompt and it will prepare a detailed description for me on the same topic, uh, that is AI in education. So you can see I have got few points easily and still it is working, the vision of future. So now you can easily prepare the PowerPoint slides. I'll just copy it from here. I'll go to the Gamma app. I'll change it that okay, if I'll want to use it for my work. Let me do it other for now. Just me. Continue, create this. Done. So you just have to sign in, and you can directly sign in the Gamma app, the Gamma.app, easily with your Google account as well, your Gmail account as well. Then you have to come it here in the paste in text. So just I'll paste the content that I had from ChatGPT. You can see I've just pasted, and I'll see that hey, generate from notes on an outline. I'll just select this. You can select the summarize long text or document as well for the detail, more content and more presentable. So just in case, I'll go to the continue to the prompt, and once I'll go it here, you can see that again all my contents are here. From if I'll slide this, you can see the tone, what kind of tone it is. It should be approachable, visual. You can change the theme here. Let's suppose if I select for now, I'll select this theme. There are few settings that you need to do, changes that you want. So in the AI images, you can see that, okay, if you want the AI images to be selected in your PowerPoint slides, I'll show you what it means, right? And coming down, okay, now everything looks good, and I'll go to and select generate. So now you can see how beautifully it will be presenting a slide. It will be providing a slide to me with my content, and now anywhere I can present it. And not only this, it will also show the AI images. No, it is not only going to show me the content, but obviously it is going to show with the images, right? So your slide looks more attractive, more presentable in that format, right? Not only this, the layout of each and every slide will be also different. It is not as such that it will be completely same, right? So, and you can see it is keep going on, and what a amazing slide it is going to be, is going to give you, and within few seconds only your slide is ready. If you have the content, your slide is completely ready. You can see here, right? Now, that's fine. Show me, I'll just, as I'm preparing my slide, that's fine, I don't want, okay, go, that's done. Okay, now you can see here, amazing slide with the AI images that is successfully showing up here. AI in education, and you can see the amazing, what beautifully slide we have provided. And now I'll just go If I want to download this, I'll just go to the share, and there you can easily export, and you can export in the form of PDF, PowerPoint, or the Google Slides, whichever you want, right? If you want to change the theme of this, right? Let's suppose if I want to change the theme of this, I'll go to the, you can see here the theme, I'll go to the edit, and I'll just click on this now, let's suppose, right? And it will change the theme. You can see it have already changed it, and now it is in somewhat black in color, looking good, right? So that's all from my side. Just like and subscribe my channel Tech Classroom for more tech related videos. And yep, I hope you guys like this videos. Please do subscribe. Thank you.